Welcome to Bike Buzz. Today, we are talking about the possible comeback of a true legend, the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Omni. Known for its unmatched practicality, affordability, and versatile design, the Omni was a staple on Indian roads for decades. If Maruti Suzuki brings it back with modern updates, here's what we can expect. Refreshed yet familiar design. The 2025 Omni will likely retain its boxy, utilitarian design but with a more modern touch. Expect LED headlights, a redesigned front grille, and new alloy wheels to give it a fresh look while keeping its compact and spacious structure. Maruti may also improve safety features with a stronger body shell to meet modern crash regulations. New BS6 compliant engine under the hood. Maruti could equip the new Omni with a 1.0 LK10C petrol engine, producing around 67 PS and 90 Nm of torque. This fuel-efficient engine, paired with a 5-speed manual or optional AMT, would ensure smooth performance. A factory-fitted CNG variant is also expected, keeping running costs low for businesses and families alike. Spacious and functional interior. The Omni has always been known for its spacious cabin and flexible seating options. The 2025 model could offer better ergonomics, improved upholstery, and a digital instrument cluster. Higher trims may even feature a touchscreen infotainment system with Bluetooth connectivity, making it more modern while maintaining its practicality. Improved safety features. One of the biggest changes would be in safety. The new Omni would likely come with dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and a reinforced chassis to comply with current safety norms. These upgrades would make it a safer option for both personal and commercial use. Expected price and launch. If Maruti Suzuki brings back the Omni, we expect it to be priced between 4.5 Indian rupees lakh to 6.5 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom. A launch in late 2025 could position it as a budget-friendly people mover, competing with entry-level MPVs like the Renault Triber and Maruti Eco. Would you like to see the Omni make a comeback? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Buzz for more automotive news and updates. Stay tuned.